Hello, friends! Today, let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in our daily lives, the smartphone. From connecting us to the world to fitting the power of a computer in our pocket, smartphones are truly modern marvels. Smartphones are more than just phones. They're our cameras, our music players, our maps, our shopping carts, and even our offices. With just a few taps, we can talk to someone across the globe, capture memories in stunning detail, or order a meal to our doorstep. Worldwide, the magic of a smartphone starts with its design. Sleek, lightweight, and with bright, high-resolution touchscreens. They're built to be both beautiful and functional. Under the surface lies incredible technology. Powerful processors that handle complex tasks, advanced operating systems that keep everything smooth, and batteries designed to last us through busy days. Batteries with bright, high-resolution touchscreens. They're built to be both beautiful and let's not forget the camera, one of the most loved features. Today's smartphones can rival professional cameras, with multiple lenses for wide-angle shots, portraits, and even night photography. From selfies to cinematic videos, our phones let us become creators anywhere, anytime. But smartphones aren't just about hardware. They're about the apps. Millions of apps transform these devices into tools for creativity, learning, entertainment, and productivity. Whether you're editing a video, tracking fitness goals, playing games, or connecting on social media, there's truly an app for everything. Smartphones also changed the way we live and interact. They've become our daily planners, our wallets, and our window to the digital world. Through them, we stay in touch with family, explore new ideas, and discover endless. Of course, with so much power, smartphones remind us of balance. It's important to use them wisely, taking breaks, staying mindful, and remembering that while our phones connect us online, life is best enjoyed in the real world, too. So, next time you pick up your smartphone, think about it. You're holding not just a device, but a gateway to knowledge, creativity, and connection. A tiny piece of technology that has reshaped how we live, work, and dream. Thank you for joining me on this quick journey into the world of smartphones. Stay tuned for more explorations into the amazing wonders of technology.